In this video I wanted to go over some of the Android devices that you can develop for. So I have two phones here. I have a Nexus One which has Android 2.2 on it, and here I have an HTC Evo. So I wasn't very impressed with the Nexus One. I've posted some stuff about touchscreen issues, and the phone itself just wasn't very responsive. The Evo, on the other hand, I feel is a really great phone. You'll notice that it's much bigger than the Nexus One, and I actually find that this screen size works better in its favor. To give you an example, I'll show you these two apps running. So this is the same bitmap slider running on both phones, and you just get so much more real estate. Even though it's the same resolution, it's just much bigger and much brighter on the Evo. And as you see, I can scroll through. So the 2.2 build, I'm noticing that Flash is running around 2 to 3 frames per second faster, and it's not so noticeable, but it's enough to be a good sign that the blitting is going to be getting faster. Right now it appears to just be the 2.2 update on Android is just making everything run faster. So you see I can click here on either end, and you get a sense for how it scrolls. So ironically enough, even with the multi-touch issues that I've been having with the Nexus One, I'm actually getting touchscreen issues with the Evo. And multi-touch works well, and I'll show you in another video how that works, but I'm having a problem with getting to the edge of a screen. There seems to be a dead space around the border here that it won't register, whereas on the Nexus One, I can go all the way to the end of the picture. So this is another problem that you have to kind of work around, and one of the reasons why I'm bringing it up and showing you multiple hardware is that each device is completely different. Even though these are made by the same manufacturer, the touch screens on them are completely different from device to device. So it requires you to get a few phones and actually test your Flash on each one. But for the most part, I'm actually very happy with the responsiveness of Flash on these devices, and as you see, it's running very quickly.